Hi friends, welcome back. And we are doing day 6 today. It's December 6th. Just remember to watch to the end today because I'm decorating my Christmas tree. So that would be nice if you could join me for that. So let's get started with unboxing of drawer number 6 in our beautiful, exclusive, luxurious advent calendars from Harrods back here, Cult Beauty, Charlotte Tilbury and SpaceNK. So let's get started. Number 6 from Harrods. Okay, so this is a new brand to me. I don't know how you pronounce it. It is from DAVINES or DAVINES, something like that, and it's called Oil All-in-One Milk with Roco Oil Multi-Benefit Beauty Treatment. Next one from Charlotte Tilbury. This is actually one of my favorites. Let me just show it to you also here. It is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. This is a travel size. But this is really nice because you can put it in your purse and just freshen up during the day. It has really good mist like that. So just to freshen up a little bit during the day. Excellent. This is my all-time favorite setting spray. Next, Cult Beauty. Oh, wow, that was a heavy one. Oh, another one from KINGSLEY. So this is an overnight scalp barrier serum with triple balancing action. So this is for your scalp. Overnight treatment. SpaceNK. It's a huge one again. It's this number 6. Oh, it's 2 products in here. Okay. Looking good so far. First one is from REFY. It's a brow sculpt. This one. And the next one, Milk Makeup. Hydro Grip Set plus Refresh Spray. This one. And like that. So it's a setting spray and a refreshing spray. I haven't tested this one yet, but it will be tested. So that was actually everything from our calendars today. But remember, just after this, we will decorate my Christmas tree. So I hope you will follow me for that. And remember to comment yesterday's video because it's a giveaway. Don't you want any of these products? You can get them totally free. Just make your comments from yesterday's video. Hi guys! Welcome back to my Christmas tree decorating. We have to put the star in the top. I think I need my stepladder to see. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, I hate this. Oh no. Oh no. This is not working that well. Okay, I'm just going to do it like that. And for now, I don't know where to put it. For now, I'm just going to put it there. Just pretend it's correct. Because I don't know. I usually have a very simple Christmas tree. Not too much on it because I think it's so beautiful. Just with the lights and the tree itself. I found some red ornaments to start with them. And some years I just have red ornaments all over and that's it. Put them up where I want them. And we have different types. We have the sparkly ones. We have the shiny ones. We have small. We have large. So who knows, maybe it's going to be a red Christmas tree this year. Some years I have gold, only gold. I've had gold and red, which is really beautiful. So it depends. And I don't plan it too much, I just do it. And do you usually decorate on the other side of the tree? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. What do you do? Because no one is going back here. And I really like these. These are my favorite. I actually have one silver also in this bag. Well, let's do the red ones first and we'll see what we'll do. So how do you celebrate Christmas? Is it on Christmas Eve or do you celebrate more on Christmas Day? And what part of the world are you from? Comment below. That's kind of fun to know. What is your Christmas dinner? Remember, tomorrow it's Sunday and you can join me for breakfast. It's not going to be live because I was planning on giving you some more details or letting you know me a little bit more, so you know who I am, so we can get a conversation going, and so you will feel more comfortable maybe of leaving comments. This is actually Louis, my dog, who's barking at, I don't know, maybe some cats outside or something. He doesn't like cats, so it might be a cat. And I will see if I find more ornaments, because I do have more, but I didn't find them. Maybe they are out in the garage, so I'll go and have a look and we'll continue.